We'll slowly start our session now. Please get some observation notes ready. Good to have some handwritten notes. I'll provide you the complete class notes, but good to have your own observation notes, please. Let's get started slowly. Let's understand the installation process. Before that, let's recap yesterday's item. Yesterday, we had a small intro. We learned what is database, types of databases, and here is a workflow. Data is born in websites, forms, IoT devices, Internet of Things, apps, etc. That data has to be captured by OLTP. Come on, friends. OLTP stands for online
transaction
processing database. Others need your support. Please help me. Let's be interactive. From OLTP, over a period of time, data has to be sent to warehouse, DWH. For that, we use ETL techniques. So that is engineering, data engineering activities. Then comes reporting analytics. Let's understand today how to install OLTP and data warehouse components. Let's see how to get them installed. We have various versions of SQL Server. I was hinting yesterday. We have 2022, 2019, 2017, various versions of SQL Server. And we have various editions, developer, evaluation, free, enterprise, data center, standard. They are costly. The enterprise one, I will provide you access, part of our course. Developer and evaluation, they are free and to be installed in your PC, in your computer. Let's understand how to do this installation. Remember, Windows 8 or higher operating system required. If you use Mac, you can connect our online server, but for free SQL servers, that enterprise and developer, Windows OS required. So time being, Mac is okay. Within 1 week to 10 days, get your own Windows OS. Let's get started with our installation process. Participants who are missing yesterday's class, for them, yesterday we did the basic intro and agenda for today's class is installation. Let's get started now. I'll show you the installation, revise installation, then we go for questions. You'll be given this complete notes. You'll do it after the class today. First, we are going to install SQL Server 2022, box 1. Then 2019, box 2. In your computer, you will install total 2 servers. Why 2? In real world, we need to work with multiple servers. One server is not enough. Security, data classification, and load balancing, etc. There are multiple aspects for us to go for multiple servers. Let's install 2 servers today. To establish connection to these servers, we need a tool. Remember, SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, to develop or manage the databases. Once we install servers and tools, we need to connect to our local servers, and I'll also show you how to connect to our online server. During your installation or practice, any questions, you have our contact numbers. Let's get started now. OS requirement. SQL Server 2022, the latest version, or 2019 or 17. Let's install first two today. And Windows 8 or higher operating system with 6 gig RAM, 10 gig disk space, any processor that supports Windows operating system. Let's see how to do the installation. Before I show you the installation process, let me give you a quick overview of the screens. First, we are going to download the software today. Once you download, you right click downloaded file, extract this one. Once you right click the downloaded file, then you get, once you download the file and extract, then you get a folder. Open the folder, double click on the application file, this one. Double click on the application file. Once you double click on application file, then here you go. I'll provide the updated notes. Go to left installation, write new installation. Installation left, new installation right. Next. Then we are going to accept licensing terms. Uncheck Azure. Azure is a cloud component from Microsoft. We'll configure it separately. For today, uncheck. Uncheck Azure. Next. Then we need to select database engine. Very simple. See, first download, extract, double click the setup file. Uncheck Azure, check database engine. Give installation name and admin name. That's it. You are done. Install. I repeat, see here, very simple. Uncheck Azure, check database engine for OLTP and data warehouse. Specify installation name, any name is okay. And admin name, add current user as admin. Simply install. Let me show you the process, then repeat it. Then we go for questions after repetition. Let's observe carefully. So we are right now in second chapter. First chapter we got introduction yesterday. Anyone missing yesterday's class, let me know. I'll send you the notes and the video. We are right now in installation. Then we need to slowly proceed for the basics to start with. We'll go slowly step by step. Things are a bit lengthy for our job purpose. I am here to guide you. Please help me with on-time practice. Let's get started now with installation. I'll show you once. I'll revise it second time. During revision, you will sing with me the lyrics so that we don't forget the song. Really, it works. So let's stay tuned. Write your observation notes, please. This is the software. This is the software download file. Okay. I'll provide the download link. Once you download, remember, right click, extract. Then you get a folder. Double click on the setup file. Double click on the setup file. Then you get one screen like this. Installation left. See here, installation left. New installation right. Observe carefully again. 2-1. Installation left. New installation right. Next. Let's wait for some time. You get the screen. Next. Perform new installation. Next. Select evaluation. This is 6 months trial. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Uncheck Azure. We'll take Azure Cloud separately for now. Next. Come on, what we have to select here, please? Do you remember?
Database engine.
Database engine.
Database services.
Yes. Database engine. Okay, select database engine for what? For OLTP and data warehouse. Next. So uncheck Azure, check database engine. Specify the installation name. Any name is okay. I'll say, for example, SQL School Lab 1. Give some name. Any name is fine. Next. You get one ID automatically. Based on this ID, you get one directory created in C drive. I'll go back. You give one name. You get ID automatically. Based on this ID, see here. Based on this ID, you get one folder auto created. Where? In C drive. C drive or your operating system drive. We are going to work with this location tomorrow to verify the installations. For now, give one name. You get ID automatically. And next. Let's wait. Say next. Just bypass the screen. Next. Last final screen. Add current user. Add current user. Okay, just click on add current user. Click next. Finally install. Okay, next. Okay, next. Let's wait. Almost done. Okay, let's understand the same process will repeat again now for 2019. I'm showing you for 2022. We'll repeat this for 2019 with minor add-ons. Then we go for questions. This installation will take somewhere between 2 to 3 minutes. And we can install up to 50 times per OS operating system. We are right now installing only 2 times today, right? But up to 50 times we can install per OS. You may ask me like why we're installing multiple times. In our next classes, we have specific concepts in our basic module. There are specific concepts called remote joins, linked servers, and stored procedures, system stored procedures, distributed transactions, etc. So those concepts need multiple servers for our practice purpose. Okay, so keeping in mind our next upcoming items, it's good to have at least 2 servers configured today. Next, my the first server is almost ready. My installation is almost done for the first server. In the meantime, let's kickstart the installation for the second server. This is my first server status. It's almost done. Going on. In the meantime, let me show you the second server. So 2022 first server. Now I'll show you 2019 so that we can understand the version differences next. So install 2 different versions, okay, so that we can easily learn the differences between the versions. You download the file, right click, extract. You get a folder. Just give a folder like this. Okay, next. Double click on the setup file. Let's double click on the setup file. Same, we get the installation process, but here I'll do minor modifications. For the second server, we are going to learn few important terms. I'll give you the complete notes anyway, just to make it clear. Number 1, instance means a successful installation of SQL Server. That is called instance. Remember, today we are installing SQL Server 2 times, right? Means we are configuring 2 instances. Instances means servers, remember. Types of instances. Number 1, default instance. Number 2, named instance. Default instance means the instance name is MS SQL Server, fixed. Named instance, we define a name during installation. Mostly in real world, we use default. Detailed notes, I will send it anyway. Just to make it clear, I'm writing it here. For our practice purpose, we go for name like SQL School 1, SQL School 2, like that. You are giving some name. Whereas there is something called default, wherein we get the name automatically, MS SQL Server. Next, authentication means communication path between SQL Server and users or apps, end user apps. Okay, here we go. Types of authentication. We have Windows authentication mode, Windows authentication mode, and something called mixed mode. Windows authentication mode means only Windows users can connect to SQL Server. Mixed mode means Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, any user can connect. See here. I repeat, instance means installation. A successful installation is called instance. See here, this one, okay, instance means installation. Authentication means connection. Our next step. Right now, here we are right now, instance. Let's see how to do the second instance now. A simple process. You please guide me how to do the installation, how to get the instance ready. Okay, you please guide me now. Okay, I got my software. Download, right click, extract. You get a folder. Double click on this setup file. What next? Please, what next?
Installation.
Installation.
Yes, left side installation,
Right side
right
first.
side,
And click on
yeah, new
server.
installation. Exactly. Left side installation, right side new installation. Okay, 2, 1. We get one screen like this. Are we clear so far? Please download, extract, double click.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect. Next, product updates you can ignore. Next, you can ignore the product updates. Click next. Perform new installation. Next. And earlier it was evaluation 6 months trial. Rupesh, please check your mic. Please help me. Previously it was evaluation 6 months trial. Now lifelong free developer. The third one, Express, is also free, but it won't support our course. First time evaluation, second term developer. Next, accept licensing terms. Next, select database engine. It requires 1000 MB space. You can change the path or you may leave it as it is. Next, change the path or leave it. Next, with this information, let's continue. See here, I said two types of instances, right? Default. See, default means instance name MS SQL Server, or give your own name. Give your own name, installation name. I'll say SQL School 2. Earlier I gave 1, now it is 2. See, earlier I gave lab 1, right? This is SQL School LAB lab 1. Whatever name you supply, you get the ID with that name automatically. Okay, any name is fine. For now, you get name and ID automatically in this way. Next. From here, what we do, let's see. Click on next. Okay, just click on next. Here you see something called collation. Remember, what is that? Collation means language setting. Collation means language setting. Like whether you want to have SQL Server installed in English or Russian, Chinese, etc. Give the required language here. Leave it to default English. Next. So collation means language setting. Next. Click next. Come on, what we do here, please? You remember everyone? Please, I'll wait.
Choose mix mode.
Add current user.
Add
How do you
current user.
Yes, we have to say
current
add current user.
So,
And for more flexible connections, you don't want to limit to Windows. You want even Mac, iOS, Android users to connect. So mixed mode. First time Windows, it's okay. We'll see how to change it later. For now, second server mixed mode. In mixed mode, there is one admin login called SA. Remember, SA. System Administrator. For SA, we have to set a password. For SA, you need to set a password like this. Okay, what we do? Just simply provide the password for SA. Okay, next. Then click on next. Click next. Okay, here we go. Click install. I'm going in a slow pace in case you are writing your observation notes. Click install. Let's wait. Now, what we are learning here, two servers, right? Let's get that complete nodes side by side. See, first server, download, extract, double click setup file, new installation, evaluation, 6 months trial, uncheck Azure, check database engine, installation name, like for example lab 1, add current user, install. Second installation, download, extract, double click setup file, new installation, developer edition, select database engine, installation name, add current user, same thing. Here installation name, example lab 2. That uncheck Azure is not available in 2019. Uncheck Azure is not available. Remaining all same. Then authentication mixed mode. Set SA password. Example admin123. Give some password. Install. Please have a look at the things carefully. Side by side comparison. I'll wait. Okay, are we getting it, please? I'll wait.
Yes.
Others, please, are we clear now? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please. Yep.
Yes, sir.
So, fine. From here, okay, we got the servers ready. What next? How to connect? For that, we require a tool, SSMS tool. SQL Server Management Studio. Purpose, this free tool is used to connect to above SQL Server, install SQL servers, perform storage, retrieval, management activities using SQL. So go to this website link, download the software, just download, double click the file and install. Double click the downloaded file, install. Only one file will be downloaded and this is a file name. It will take 20 to 45 minutes to install and restart your computer. After you restart the computer, if you get repair screen, close it. Don't click repair. Just close the window. Let me show you. I repeat, firstly, two servers. Done. Here it is, server 1, server 2. Now let's see how to install the tool. Tool to establish connection to the servers, just like a browser to connect to websites. We need a tool to connect to the server. How to install the tool? Let's see. You download this software. See here. Double click on the setup file. Just double click on the setup file and install. Very first time it shows you to install. It asks you to install. Very first time it asks you to install. Click on install. Let's wait. So once you click on install, it will take some time. Installation once complete, it will ask you to restart. After you complete installation and restart, we need to test the server connections. How do we do that? Let's see. I repeat, servers to be installed first, 2 servers. Then tool to be installed next. How to test the connections? Let's understand it. Go to search. See here, go to search. Type SSMS. This one. Okay, launch SSMS like this. Go to search. Type there SSMS. Click to launch SSMS. And next. Very first time, you will see like this, in this way, very first time. We don't know the server name, right? We just installed it. We gave some name, something called lab1, but I forgot it. Naturally, I'm very new to SQL. I may forget it. What we do? No problem. Drop down. See here, drop down. Browse for more. And we install database engine today, so expand that plus symbol. These are the 2 servers we installed today. Select lab1. Okay. Trust. Connect. I repeat, observe carefully. Database engine. See, connect database engine. We don't know the server name. Drop down. Browse for more. Expand database engine. Expand database engine. Next. Select second server. Okay. Select second server. What else? Click OK. Just click OK. Trust. Connect. That's it. You're done. First server 16. Second server 15. Version numbers. Back to my screen. First server 16. Second server 15. Version numbers. Okay, I'll repeat again. See here how to connect to the servers. Firstly, install servers and tool, then launch SSMS. Any version of SSMS is okay, no problem. Okay, here it is. Click on SSMS. Okay, just click on SSMS. Next. We don't know the server name. Come on, please tell me, friends, please. How to get the server name, please? Let's involve carefully.
Drop down.
Yes, you need to click on drop down. Next. Browse for more. Browse for more. Next.
Database engine.
Database engine.
Exactly. Database engine. select the required server. Okay, next. Click OK. Trust connect. Okay. Then once again connect database engine. Drop down. Only very first time you say browse for more. Subsequent connections directly select from the drop down here. We install sorry for the sounds. Rupesh, I have to mute you, sir. Some background sound, please. We installed SQL Server, second server using mixed mode authentication, means Windows and SQL. And what is the login name? SA. Remember everyone, please. SA, right? Isn't it? Remember? System Administrator. Yes, you remember, please, everyone. SA.
Yes.
Sir. Yes.
Fine. Others, please write your observation notes. Okay. Write your observation notes carefully. Fine. So give SA login and provide the password. And we simply click on connect like this. So yellow to first green, yellow to second green. Next, click on connect database engine. You'll be given access to our online server. Okay, here it is. That blue server is there, right? Blue server, this one. Yellow to blue online server for our case studies and project work. You'll be given one server name with login password like this. You'll simply connect. You need to paste the server name from your email. You'll be given the login name, password, and remember the password, connect. So yellow to first green, yellow to second green, yellow to blue. One browser, 3 websites. One tool, 3 servers. I repeat, see here. You'll be given the server name, login name, password. Our team shall create a login for you and set it. Make sure you are able to connect to the server. Okay, so this way you establish the connections. We are ready for our practice. Please, are we clear so far? Please, I will wait. Please, everyone, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Right. Yep, let's continue. Before we start our practice from tomorrow, there are few more important items. Back to our notes. So we did step 1, step 2 servers, step 3 tool installation, step 4 testing installation. And next, we also learned how to connect to the server. Details will be given on email separately. Instance. Instance means installation of SQL Server. Up to 50 installations or instances we can configure per OS. Each instance has a unique name and no space for instance name. Types of instances: default instance, named instance. Default instance name MS SQL Server, whereas named instance you define your own name like lab 1, lab 2 today. Very important. server name equal to just computer name for default instance. Named instance computer name backslash instance name. What is this? Let me show you. At the time of connecting to the server, I said drop down, browse for more, right? This one. Expand database engine. See, this is default instance because just computer name. A. These are all computer name backslash instance names. That slash is there, right? Named instance. So one default, remaining all named. So we have to identify the type of instance based on the name. Simple word. SQL School 1. What is this? SQL School 1. Let's see. My PC properties. My PC properties. SQL School 1 is my computer name. My computer name, this one. Right? So here, the SQL School 1 is my computer name. There's a server name here. This is a default instance. Whereas here you see backslash, right? This one means named instance. So just computer name default, computer name backslash instance name named instance. Either default or named, we can have up to 32,767 databases per instance per server. For default instance, port number 1433. Named instance port number keeps changing every time you restart your computer. In real world, mostly we use default. Named for dev and testing environment. Edition, licensed copy, default. Named either evaluation or developer. Usually free editions. Number of installations. Okay, here it is. Number of installations. Up to 1 for OS. Whereas named instance up to 50. For practice purpose, for default instance, you have online server and named instance, your local servers. Please by heart this theory carefully. One more thing, I was mentioning something called authentication. Okay, here it is. Authentication means communication path between SQL Server and end users or apps. Windows authentication means only Windows users can connect. Mixed mode means any user can connect. First server we install Windows, second server we install mixed mode. Please go through these things carefully once. From here, we are good to start our practice. We'll do it from tomorrow. We'll stop for now. Please practice the things carefully. I'll send you this updated notes. Please see if you can take a print copy of all these items. Please do it. Please wait. I'll send you the notes. Yes, email sent to everyone. Please check it. I'll wait. You have the notes for. You have the notes for database introduction, installation, and SQL basics for tomorrow's class. For tomorrow. I have sent you tomorrow's notes also in advance today. Please check Please complete your installations to get ready for practice from tomorrow, please. Got the email, everyone? Please, I'll wait. Please check it, everyone, please. Yes, friends, please observe carefully. Hope you got it now, please. I'll wait. Kindly check your mails. Anyway, any questions, let me know. Might be on the way. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Any questions, errors, clarifications, please. I'll wait. What happened? Haven't you received the notes? Please check it, please. I'll wait. Haven't you received the notes? Please check it. Please.
No,
Not
not
yet.
it, sir.
Might be
Not
on
yet.
the way.
Not yet.
Not it, sir.
I'll wait. Yeah. Might be on the way. I'll wait for some time. Anyway, in the meantime, any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Here it is. From this particular table. Any questions here, let me know. I'll wait.